is Anna. If you see, they look very similar, except from they don't have crown. If you look at the back, this is what she's supposed to look like. That's Kristoff and Elsa. Now, if you all know who her sister is, it's Elsa. Now, here's Elsa. She doesn't look like her actually like that, except from it's mainly that part because it spoiled it. But if you look at the back, that's what she really looks like, and that's Anna and Kristoff. Now, I'm going to open up Elsa first. There. Now I'm just getting it off there.
Okay.
Now, you can see she doesn't look very good. See? Because
You show
she
the
hasn't
camera.
got shoes. See? And the snowflakes, see? Turn around. She looks really good. And the only thing what she hasn't got is these gorgeous shoes. Now I'm going to put them on. And if you like them, just say yeah and shout it.
Yeah. Wow.
This is Elsa. Now, you can't really take the crown off, see? It's attached to it. And now I don't want to break it because I've got it today. Now, see here, there's some Velcro. If you want, you can take off, but I'm not. And Elsa's still saying hello and bye-bye. Now on to her. We're going to just open the box up much more better than the other box. Much more better this is. Sorry, audience, I'm just having some difficulty. He would like to show the pants. I'm so sorry. It's a pants.
Oh, there you go.
Now, Elsa's dress is just falling down, and her shoes have just come off. Now, her shoe looks really good. See, I'm just going to show you, see? She's how she looks. And see, her crown is the same, except from it's got elastic on so you can take it off. See? See, her plants are doing very finely. But audience, do you know what's missing from Anna? She's got no white bit on her hair, see? Except from there. A very thin piece there, you can see. But they didn't do in the plait. Anyways, you can take it off. But I don't know how. Oh, that clip there is. See? But this is stuck onto her hair. So you can only take it off like that. So when I finish this thing, I will be cutting that off and making do a knot in it. Now I'm just going to put that back on while you can do anything. Okay, there. Now this is her. Now, so if I'm going to just take the skirt off to show you how gorgeous it is. See, the pattern is kind of a leaf with a flower on top and some purple stuff around it, can't you see? And a cloak, as I told you, a part stuck onto that. So I'm just going to take off like that and show you how fine the Velcro is. And see, they did it really good so people enjoy it. And I know all you fans are really fans of Elsa and Anna, because you wouldn't be watching this video if you didn't be fans. Now, with Elsa, I might do this, but I don't know if it's fine with my mum if I can do it. Can I do it, Mum?
What do you want to do?
Take the skirt off.
I'm not sure if you're able to.
I am. See, I told you there's some Velcro at the back, didn't I, audience? So I'm just going to take it off. Take it. See. So nice. Feel it, audience. There. So fine. And I'm just going to take this off too. Now, sorry for that thing. Just having some difficulty. Well, if you enjoyed that, please may you go.